everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to create this look. This is a light feminine makeup look which is very easy to create and you can do it in a few minutes. I hope you enjoy this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment. I'm going to create a light feminine makeup look with pink theme. So let's start. I'm going to prepare my skin first. I'm preparing my foundation now. So I have bought this new brush set. This is Manji Premium brush set. It has 25 brushes. So this is what it looks like. Today I'm going to try all these new brushes and see how it performs. So where is all the brushes? I'm using this brush. This is called Face Flat Brush for my foundation. So this brush worked really good for applying a smooth foundation application. It didn't left any brush stroke on my face. Now I'm using concealer. I'm using this concealer brush for blending the concealer. Now I'm going to set my face with Glam translucent powder. I'm using this powder brush to set my face. I'm going to dust off all the excess powder. I'm using this brush for transition and I'm going to take this shade as a transition shade. Then with the same brush, I'm going to take this pink shade and then apply it over the transition shade. I'm taking this flat brush and I'm going to take this silver shadow and apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to apply that pink shade under my eyelash. This eyeshadow is really good because there is literally no fallout and it blends like butter. So I really like this Norvina palette. Okay, now I'm going to take this angular brush and I'm taking this deep burgundy shadow to create a wing liner. So I'm using this spoolie. I'm going to use this dark contour shade to set my eyebrows and I'm using this brush. Now I'm going to apply highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner. So I'm taking this highlighter. I'm using this angular contour brush to contour my face. So I'm going to take this shade for contouring my face. I'm using this brush for contouring my nose. I'm going to use the same shade. I have purchased this Wet n Wild blush. So I'm going to use this one today. I'm using this brush for applying blush. I'm using this fan brush for applying highlighter. I'm going to take this highlighter. Now I'm going to curl my eyelash and apply some mascara. Now I'm going to apply this nude eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm applying this lip liner. This is from Beauty Glaze. This is called Rose Beige. Now I'm using this lipstick from Mars. This is called Elegance. So this is it. This is a very easy light feminine look. I hope you enjoyed it.